What if I told you this Fortnite map right here that you're looking at has made over $150,000 in just a span of 7 months? If you don't believe me, look right here. $150,000 in just a span of 7 months. And this map creator is a client of mine who I've been mentoring and coaching for the past 7 months. So today, I'm seriously going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys can use and follow along in this video to replicate and emulate this exact map's revenue so you guys can make hundreds and thousands of dollars online making Fortnite maps as a beginner just getting started. And of course, guys, everyone who joins my Discord in the link in the description for the next 24 hours will be given a free pre-made successful map, which they can literally just repost and make thousands of dollars a month at the palm of their fingertips. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So pretty much what we're going to be doing is heading on into XmbBs Map and showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys can follow along watching this video to achieve the same success, garnering players and attention and money and traction inside of your maps. And then after that, we're going to go into his marketing schemes to allow you guys to achieve thousands and thousands of players on your maps, which will not only bring you guys a lot of money, but it will allow you guys to achieve high player counts and consistency inside of the discovery system and algorithm inside of Fortnite map making. All right, guys, so we are inside of XmbBs Island. Mind you guys, this is the guy who I mentored and coached. If you guys need help with mentoring and coaching, just let me know in my Discord, send me a message. But I digress. We are inside of his map, and as you guys can see at the top left corner of this island, there is a playtime XP award achievement, which is signifying that we need to spend 20 minutes to actually gain XP and rewards inside of this map, which is allowing you guys to achieve more playtime with your guys' islands. This is why you guys need to be having vaults and XP rewards in your maps, because Fortnite is going to only recommend maps that people are actually playing, because Fortnite is a business at the end of the day. If you guys are looking here, we have all these XP coins. Essentially what this is pretty much when you guys go into these coins here, you're going to be given XP. So obviously when we go into his marketing very shortly here in this next segment, you're going to see exactly what he's actually doing to actually achieve that. So here are 7 different things that you guys need to have inside of your maps. So if we go here, obviously you guys have to be having variations of rarities of weapons. So if we go here, we have a mythic, we have a blue gun, we have an epic weapon, we have legendaries, we have the mobilities, we have the heals. We need diversity when you guys are making your maps. I see a lot of your guys' maps, and essentially what's all you guys are doing literally is just having one key rarity like mythics or legendary or any of that. And we cannot be having that when we are actually making games. There's a reason there's a 15-minute timer here, because when the 15 minutes is up, we're going to be having millions and millions of XP inside of the map. And there's also XP rewards that allows you guys to actually achieve brain rot inside of Fortnite, where there's like powers and abilities inside of your maps. And obviously we have the new lobby here. This is what you guys want to be implementing and adding inside of your world. This is exactly what you guys need to be adding, because you don't want people leaving the map. You want people going into a new map. What if people leave the island? These are the things that you guys need to think of. And custom modifications with your weapons and a locker room. Half the time I don't even see that in your guys' maps that I'm reacting to inside of my Discord call. And of course, the reset builds icon here. We need to be having this inside of our maps. And here we have a trigger, which is saving a checkpoint. So when we die, we actually spawn exactly where we left off. Over here, we have the new tab. This is showing the new weapons. And I know a lot of you guys may be thinking, how did this map ever make $150,000? Well, that is what the marketing segment is for. So I'll show you guys exactly what I coached and mentored him to do to actually achieve success and garner hundreds and millions of views and thousands of players on his map to make him a lot of money. Let's get right into it. So just by looking at his marketing, all we have to do is search up XmbFN. Mind you guys, this is a partner who I mentored and coached. So if you guys need help marketing and pushing your maps, let me know inside of my Discord in the link in the description. But this is exactly what you guys want to be replicating and emulating to achieve the same success. So if we go back to his oldest video, this is essentially what he was doing. He had these brain rot videos talking about the highlights of his map. As you guys can see at the start of this video, he actually just went to exactly what I was showing right here. If we pan up here, he was showing the timer, which is what I was talking about. You guys need to be having timers that show visual urgency. We need to be creating psychological tension and urgency when people are playing your map, because that's going to allow them to play and actually stick on your map and play longer. And if we go back to his most popular videos, this is the video that I created for him, because you do not have to have such high editing videos. At the end of the day, what you guys don't realize is that we are creating islands and maps for kids. We are literally creating childhood memories for these young adults that will be men eventually. They're going to be looking very fondly at the games that they were playing. So we go to this 1v1 map here, 42,000 likes, 283 comments, 2 million views itself here. Very, very respectable. But if you go here, if you guys just saw that, when he actually flies around, this is how you get hacks inside of the island that I just showed you. These are kind of the stuff that you guys want to be having. Obviously, this is actually not against TOS. And the reason why it's not is because what you're doing is allowing people to actually access code inside of your map, meaning verse code, which is what my AI software is for. If you guys look here, he just activated a button that we did not see. And here we have these things where you can get infinite health. You can have aim lock. You can have aimbot. And that is what's going to allow us to actually signify the players that there's more incentive to actually play than meets the eye, other than just a timer. Because there has to be a lot of extravagance to actually have the player hooked to actually play longer. If we go to the comments here, you can tell by the engagement, everyone is asking, where is the map code? Where is Spider-Man? This is what you guys want to be doing. Everyone is talking about how actual efficient and awesome this island is and experiences. This is what you guys want to be replicating imitating and emulating, because what I'm about to show you right now is going to not only change your entire course of your map making journey, but allow you guys to make more money. Let's get right into it. So if you guys join my Discord in the link in the description, there is a tool here called the UEFN bot made by BFA. This essentially allows you to get access to the entire contents inside of Fortnite for your map making thumbnail. Because if we go onto Fortnite GG right now and we go through the actual thumbnails that people are making to gain traction in their islands, this is the most essential piece of the puzzle. If nobody sees your thumbnails, you will not get clicks and players and money inside of your maps. If you guys didn't see my YouTube thumbnails, you wouldn't be here. So that is a perfect underlining motivation and truth behind what I'm saying, because you guys wouldn't even be on this channel if I was not competent and skillful at my craft of making content, inspiring millions of people, getting started making maps, and making millions of dollars for everyone inside of the market and space in UEFN. So this tool here allows you to get access to all of the contents for your thumbnails. You can make the FFA, you can make the text, you can make the visual effects, the glow effect, the items, the Fortnite, the content, the rank icons, every single thing you guys can think of imaginable. Okay, so now let me show you guys exactly how much revenue and money I have made making maps. Obviously, I made way more money helping you guys, but I just want to be transparent and authentic to you guys, because at the end of the day, I'm here as a voice. I stand by guard for thee. I will be the first person to get an icon skin from being a Fortnite UEFN nerd and fanatic and creator. But I just want to show you guys exactly all of the maps that I've worked on personally and scaled and helped and mentored and partnered on, which I'm going to show you guys exactly how I helped on this person specifically to actually gain traffic inside of his map. So if we go here, FN mod, for example, this is an actual woman. Okay, she hit me up asking me for a thumbnail, and I gave her advice, practical advice to actually help her and make her life more efficient. So I understand that there's a huge burden on your guys' shoulders when you guys are making maps, because you come into the map space not knowing that you have to learn all of these things, like marketing, like promotion, like personal branding, like graphic design and coding. There's various avenues of success in this field. You don't have to always just be making maps. You could be making thumbnails for people's maps. You could be doing coding for people's maps. That is why there are specialists who will pay a premium for your help and advice, which is why you guys are paying me to mentor and help you guys actually get players inside of your islands and Fortnite maps that will make you guys more money. So first map, FN mod. This game has made $324,000. It is insane the wealth opportunities that can transpire when you actually lock the fuck in and make money online making Fortnite maps. All of you that are seeing this video, calling all Autobots, I need you guys to get started in the link in the description by joining the Discord and make money online making Fortnite maps. You guys have to get started, because I'm gonna make this the biggest business in the world. I actively am doing this. I'm the only person in the whole world doing this, and I stand by that with pride and honor, because I'm here to revolutionize the whole world and inspire millions and billions of people, making millions of dollars for everyone, which makes me millions of dollars as well. Impact is number one. Love you guys. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed it, let me know down in the comments your thoughts. Click the last video on the screen. Businesses and sponsorships, reach out down below. See you guys soon. So please do not lose hope, okay? You're gonna make it. And I'm proud of you. I'm proud of myself as well. We're all going to make it, man. We're all going to make it. You just gotta believe. If you believe, you can achieve. And I promise you that, because nobody's coming to save us, and you have to realize that. All right? Been 1 minute. Love you guys.